Well, here YouTube, we're out driving around. As you can see, nothing major. I haven't seen any structural damage. Just lots of trees down. Lots of trees down. Branches. We're lucky. They said to have reported it up to 60 miles an hour winds gusted here now. So I think we're pretty fortunate. If anything did hit here, wasn't much. There's more up the street here. Now keep in mind, I'm mostly driving here. The camera's not in my hand. It's sitting on my tripod. Somebody juts out of one of these intersections, that camera will catch it without looking, stopping. Yeah. People like to do that here. We're now on the north side of town, and yeah, I still don't see nothing. We're down by the, up north of the Dairy Queen. I don't see anything, so.
Go up by the golf course. I know they're gonna have stuff down there.
Up there?
Yeah, over at Lake City Golf Course.